just waking up. We're about to get ready to start our day. It's me and baby Jay. Good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Come on, you ready? You ready? Come on. So we're gonna start our day. Ready? Come on. Okay. Get it. Go brush your teeth. You ready? Yeah, you gotta brush your teeth. You brush it with mommy. We're brushing our teeth. What's up? Yeah, you finished? Okay, we finished. Let me see. So you can put it away. And then mommy put hers away too. No, that's mommy's. You don't put those. You don't put mommy's in your mouth. No, you don't. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Give me your hand so I can give you some. Hey. Go ahead, put it in your hair. Put it in your hair so your hair's good. You need some more? You got it? Okay, we done. Careful, careful. Good job. Hey. Good morning. Good morning. Hey. Here comes a man demanding and commanding his attention. Ooh, two butts. You don't have no clothes on. What happened to you? Oh man, that's funny. Well, we gonna finish getting ready. Hey everybody, we heading out. Yes. Family road trip. Jenna say woo woo. You celebrate, right? Yeah, but can I put the music on or no? Yeah, you can. Okay. Backspin. Hashtag SiriusXM. I remember this. What? When this song was out, your godmother, she used to buy sneakers and put taps on them. Don't ask. Like for tap shoes? The metal taps too. She would put the metal taps. I think in her mind it was supposed to preserve the sneaker from wearing down. I don't know. But you can hear her coming from 2 blocks away. Tap, 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 tap. Here come Kim. Tap, 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 tap. All through the neighborhood. Pink ponies. Those were the sneakers she had. Pink ponies. Ask her about them. Pink ponies. We about to go stop and get some gas and some cash so that we can, oh yeah, I think we might. Well, we can make it over there without it. But we're gonna need the gas. Right? Yeah. Yeah. But If we go north side, cut over, then we can hit the bank and I don't have to pay no fee.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? The money ain't in that bank no way. It don't matter.
Okay.
Not that bank. Different card. Okay. I think a lot of people be walking around with that. Them selfie sticks. He got the light, so what is he? Honk him. What are you waiting on? He got the light, crazy. What I've noticed, and I told mommy I'm gonna have to start jotting it down what's going on because it's a cycle. So I get the head feeling.
So we're here at this event called the Pork Out, and it's a barbecue competition. Say hi, boo boo.
You don't need it. Take it out your mouth. You don't need that.
Say hi.
You don't like being around a lot of people, I think.
Anyway, so we're waiting in line to get our tickets. We got baby Jane. My mom. And alright, we'll probably show you.
Stick in the car?
No, it's right there. We'll probably show you some more once we get our tickets and everything starts, get started. But it's a really long line.
Not too far back.
Yeah. They start selling tickets at like 10:30, so I think it's like 10:29, so we should be start moving shortly.
It's festive.
Right.
16, 13, and 8. So 1, 2, 3, you're missing 7.
4, 5, 6. We're missing 7. We have 8.
Turn it over. 7 and Evil Knievel. So is Evil Knievel 7 or is it
Evil Knievel's 9.
Evil's 9, so we're missing Pick and Pull.
And Evil Knievel.
Okay, 7 and 9. Alright?
Okay. Be right back. Alright. Hey. Come on, let's go.
Oh, yeah. You already got all the way up there.
Oh, you got. Yeah.
No, I put them back in there so I wouldn't leave them.
They gotta wait. Okay,
Alright, y'all. We got 2 more tickets to go. We got smart and we just gathered all our barbecue cup samples so to make it easier. You said what?
Where's purple?
We decided who we voted for, and now we're about to go turn in our little ticket. Ready? Gotta put this over here. Turn in our little ticket. And then I guess we're gonna go and probably get something cool because it's really hot out here. We're in the shade, but it's still like really, really hot.
like a Uber shade.
Yeah, like.
You get the tan and sit in the shade.
All right, sit down. You gotta get buckled up. But we had fun. The most fun part was like actually going to get the barbecue because it was like a scavenger hunt for me. Finding the barbecue so we can hurry up and sit down and eat it. Some of them were not that great to us. But the ones that we did like, as you saw, we like went through all of them and then figured out our top, I guess, 10. Then we went through the 10 and figured out our top maybe 3 and went through those and then got our top 1. So now we're about to go turn our ticket in and then probably go get some ice cream or something. It's hot. Cool off. So I guess we'll show you that when we do that. That was fun. Fun night stay out. People don't be paying attention. For this little shopping center, yeah. This little center, this kind of center, it's like becoming real popular style. I like it because, oh yeah, let's go back this way. That shit went there last year. How do we know? We didn't come out this way. No, didn't we come out? Yes, no, we didn't. We came out the other way, back toward the main road. This could have been here the whole time. We're gonna move like it. They're nice. I don't know if I like that being in the front yard, but look at this shit right here. Look at these houses. It's just like, boom, boom. What? I don't like that the backyard you can see. I don't like that. That you can see in the backyard. I want to see the inside of them. Do you think these are going to be on the Oh, look at that one. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, look at that. They got a little boat in the house. Jason, capture one of these addresses. Let's see if we can find something. 8319 La Matiste. East Road. This is a New York over there. That's a New York car. Look at that house. Right at the end of the cul-de-sac. So it's got the most property. Shit. What car are they driving? And lawyers. Yeah, probably. What car are they driving? You can tell what time. I feel like sometimes. That house was for sale? Or no? Never mind. This is their backyard. I don't like that you can see, like, you know, in their backyard. Because what they're having a cookout. I don't want to know. See you. That one looks different. That's what I'm talking about. Is that the backyard? Yeah. Yes, it is. It's just the way the street is.
that's all new still. So the front is on that other block where you turn on. So this is interesting.
Yeah, you don't like that, right?
Just
We're in Joann's. We left the boys in the car because Jaden was sleeping. So here we are, Joann's. Me and my mommy. And Joann's.
I want a nice Hello Kitty for and I want to build the patterns around the Hello Kitty.
Did you find? Do you know what Hello Kitty you want?
No, that's what we gotta find. We gotta find something.
Okay.
And I need you because you got the better eye.
All right. So we're searching for Hello.
And also, I could use fleece. It could be a fleece blanket. It could be that. Yeah, maybe for her it should be fleecy.
Okay.
Because like if I was to do it for Jaden, I would do it more with the flannel.
Right.
Whereas she
is young, yeah. Fleece.
Like she's gonna be 8 next year, so I know. And I'm
Okay.
trying to make this for Christmas for her, so it could be fleecy.
Hey y'all. So after Joann's, we went to Tropical Smoothie and got smoothies. We rushed home because it was about to storm. I edited some videos. Baby J took a nap. We've been watching movies. We just got finished eating dinner not too long ago. And now we're just relaxing. Probably going to watch another movie and then go to bed. But we wanted to say thank you for watching our vlog. And we hope that you liked it. Subscribe to our channel. Like and comment on our videos. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.